You check your mail, and there it is, the official envelope. Your stomach drops a little. It's a jury summons. But take a breath. You aren't in trouble, and this is completely manageable. I'm Marcus, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to handle this summons. We're going to turn what feels like a major disruption into a straightforward, stress-free process. Before we dive in, please note, this video provides general education about the administrative steps of a summons, not official legal advice. Now, let's take that intimidating piece of government mail and break it down into 7 easy administrative steps. Step 1 is the hardest for some people. Don't toss it on the counter to deal with later. Open the envelope right now. Look at the document in front of you. The very first thing you need to find is your specific reporting date. That's your deadline. Next, scan for the court address. Knowing exactly where you might have to go helps you start mentally planning for traffic, transit, or parking. Finally, find your unique juror number. Keep this handy because you will need it to log in, call the court, or fill out any forms moving forward. With these 3 details in hand, the uncertainty disappears. You now have a concrete, predictable timeline on your calendar. That brings us to step 3, completing the court's preliminary juror questionnaire. Your summons will list the ways to do this. Usually, you can either log in to a secure online portal using that juror number we just found, or you call their automated phone system. This flowchart breaks down your options. When you fill out the questionnaire, you'll reach a critical decision point where you have to choose between 3 paths: report, postpone, or request an excuse. Path A is straightforward. You confirm your availability and you agree to report for duty on your scheduled date. If you have a temporary schedule conflict, like a planned vacation or a medical procedure, you can choose Path B, a deferment. This simply pushes your obligation to a new date a few months down the road. Path C is requesting an excuse. This requires official proof of a severe hardship or a legal disqualification, like no longer living in the county, which removes you from the jury pool entirely for this cycle. Selecting the right path based on your actual eligibility streamlines the court's administrative work and keeps you out of bureaucratic limbo. Now let's talk about work. If you are worried about your employer retaliating or firing you, look at this shield. You have job protection. State and federal laws strictly prohibit employers from penalizing you for fulfilling your jury duty. Your employment status is secure. But keep in mind, there is a difference between job protection and wage protection. While they can't fire you, they aren't always required by law to pay your regular salary while you serve, so check your specific company policy. Because your job is protected, there is no reason to throw your summons away. In fact, ignoring it is the worst thing you can do. Failing to respond is a violation of the law. You can face substantial fines, or a judge could issue a bench warrant for your arrest. By communicating proactively with the court, you activate your legal protections and eliminate any risk of those penalties. Let's move to step 6, creating your paper trail. Whether you submitted your questionnaire to report or requested a deferment, the system will give you a confirmation number or send an email. Save that receipt. If there is ever a clerical error, this is your proof that you did your part. Finally, step 7. The night before your reporting date, you must check your status. Court dockets change constantly. Cases settle or get dismissed at the very last minute. Often, you'll call the automated line or check the website and discover your group has been canceled and you don't have to go in at all. Taking 2 minutes to verify your status acts as your personal insurance policy against a wasted morning commute to a courthouse that doesn't actually need you. Let's recap. Open the envelope, extract your data, fill out the questionnaire, choose your path, secure your job protections, save your confirmation, and verify the night before. Jury duty requires a pause in your normal routine, but it is a required civic duty that ensures our justice system actually functions fairly for everyone. By following these steps, you've handled the bureaucracy exactly as the court requires. You are now legally secure, fully prepared, and ready to get back to your day without that summons hanging over your head.